Welcome to Tech Bytes. Let's build a simple geography dashboard in Excel. Here's a list of countries. Select a country name and its details will be displayed automatically. First, convert these country names into geography data type. Select the country list, click on Data, Data Types, and then Geography. Next, create a template to display the data. Now we need a drop-down list to select a country from the given list. Select the cell B1, click on Data, Data Tools, Data Validation. Under the validation criteria, select the list option. Use the country list as the source for the drop-down. Press OK. Our drop-down list is ready. Select a country from the drop-down list. The selected country appears in cell B1. Using cell B1 as a reference, the other details are displayed automatically. Country code is equal to B1.abbreviation, capital is equal to B1.capital, area is equal to B1.area, currency is equal to B1.currency code, flag is equal to B1.image. Add a map to visualize the selected country. Select cell B1, click on Insert, Maps, and then select the map. Resize the map to fit the template. And our simple geography dashboard is ready.